light up the vape cartridges again and show the performance and precision of. Hello everyone, so once again welcome to Tyvok K1 studio. So many of you guys are having great interest about the ventilation solution of Tyvok K1. So let's take a closer look about this today in this video. This is our upper channel of the K1 which draw away the smoke generated during the carving process. And two air holes that lead to the exhaust fan. So today let's test its effectiveness. So guys, let's turn on the Tyvok K1 and I'm ready to light up. This is really amazing. The smoke was absorbed completely in instant and this is really powerful. You can see the promise of a downwind channel is equally impressive and equal to the ventilation of upper wind channel. Mostly during the cutting process, smoke accumulate at the lower surface of material. The design here is to direct the smoke during this gap and then remove it outside. So let's light up the vape cartridges again and show the performance and precision of K1's ventilation solution. So it's proved that the airflow design of Tyvok K1 is highly innovative and very effective. Unexpectedly, even the open trial model was able to smoothly direct the smoke outdoors. So because of your high interest and amazing appreciation to Tyvok K1 as well good suggestions, we are going to reveal the dual circulation water cooling system in the next issue. So just stay connected with us and let's see the performance of K1 in the upcoming video. Goodbye.